We did a arcade game. We decided to make a maze into where you move a marble through this little maze over here. So the gist of the game is there are two holes that you can solve for, hole 1 and hole 2, and you come over to the user interface and the LCD tells you to select a hole, so I'm going to select hole 1. Then the LCD counts down from 3 seconds and you can start moving. So then your right arrow would go to the right, top arrow to the back, and just kind of that similar logic. And you go and you until you complete the game, and then sounds and lights go off when you win. We decided to go space themed, so we have Star Wars that will play when you win. So there's a tilt sensor in the back that when you try to cheat, the bad song plays, which is the Darth Vader Imperial March song. So it gets a little annoying after a while.
Okay, so for the LCD, it's basically show all the introduction of the maze game as well as do timing.
An Arduino to control the 4 servo motors, and then there are 3 picks. There's the main pick, which runs the LEDs and also does the logic of depending on which hole you selected, and then which hole you actually get it into, whether you win or lose. And then it outputs a win or lose signal to the sound and then also to the LED.
So the sound is triggered every time you either win or lose. So then we use the freak out command to code the different songs, and then there also is a noise that plays every time you hit hole 1 or hole 2.
And then for sensors, we have the tilt sensor, and then we have photo sensors at each of the spots where the ball drops in.
So you have to do it in 30 seconds.
Yeah, you have 30 seconds to do it. That's all my own game. So it actually is unsolvable. Yeah.
You did it in lab, though. You did it in lab.
I did do it in lab. You saw me in lab. So there's the microcontroller that controls the speakers. This is the one that controls our LCD. And this is the main pick right here that controls all the LEDs. Yeah, unplug it. And then here's our Arduino Uno right there.
It's a PVC pipe with tinfoil wrapped around on the inside, and then there's like a scrap piece that hangs inside there. And so if you ever tilt the machine, then that hanging piece bumps against the tinfoil.